to a test stand on another floor of the building. Now it's different. Now the plant and ability of our people is matched by a modern manufacturing facility. Only a few months ago, this plant was making pin setters and bomb cases. But our motorcycle planning group completely changed it. They researched competitive plants. They analyzed flow systems, materials handling, equipment. They forecast future production needs. They moved existing equipment, brought in new equipment. And now, this most modern, sophisticated motorcycle manufacturing facility in the world is in production. Some aspects of manufacturing have already been going on here for over a year. The frames for the Sportster have been manufactured here since June 1972. Now we're also manufacturing frames for the FX and FL. We're stamping and welding tanks, stamping fenders, and sprockets. All chassis manufacturing is centralized at York for the FL, FX, and XL machines. But the big feature of the York plant is this: assembly. There are 16,000 feet of conveyors. The line for the heavyweights is 700 feet long, in a huge U shape with 66 assembly stations. Closed-circuit feeder lines bring in sub-assemblies. They eliminate handling things twice. They protect paint finishes. Besides being a very streamlined production facility, the York plant is also a warehouse in the sky. The assembly lines store 2,000 wheels, 800 fenders, 1,000 gas tanks, 1,800 engine, 500 to 600 frames. The lines provide total flexibility. In changing a production run, workers just pick off the different components rather than wait on a delivery of different components. No old carts, very little pushing, lifting, pulling by hand. The bikes float along to each station on special brackets that accommodate all models. Inspection and tests are right there at the end of the assembly line. Even the paint system is the most advanced available. This alone is a $1 million installation. That's a Ransburg electrostatic rotating and reciprocating disc that spins paint on the object evenly, quickly. The system will meet all the single coat and double coat requirements for all foreseeable production needs. It puts a clear lacquer finish over the mylar trim. No more tank decals peeling off with this system. Another important production and quality control feature of the York plant is work continuity. When a shift starts at York, it doesn't stop until 8 hours later. All breaks and lunch periods are staggered. The assembly line never stops. The bikes keep rolling at York. This has been your introduction to our York plant. It's our answer to problems we have all shared for the past 2 years. Problems of machine availability, parts availability, quality control. York is the right answer to these needs and to the opportunities that face us this year and several years ahead.